Hello from Koum Kapi Beach in Chania. This is one of the two public beaches in Chania that are accessible and that are on opposite sides of the old Venetian port and harbor that I had visited earlier today. And there will be a 4K walking adventure for 40 minutes from the other beach that's called Beach Chora all the way to the port for 40 minutes. And now I'm on this beach that's gonna be probably last for today, as it is 7:20 p.m. and yeah, we won't be seeing the sunset as there is lots of clouds right now, but still it is very warm, and it is currently 23 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the sea it is 17.7 based on the satellite measurement that I have confirmed earlier today. So yes, I have been walking all the way from Agia Marina, where I'm staying, to this Koum Kapi Beach, and it was total of over 10 kilometers one way. So on the way back, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna walk or I'm gonna take the bus. The bus costs around €2, so it's nothing much, but I really want to exercise a bit more. So yes. And Chania is the second largest city on Crete island after Heraklion. That's considered the capital city of the island. And there is population of 111,000 people in Chania. And yeah, it's a very nice city. I mean, I have seen mostly the old town of it and the port. It's very nice architecture that I don't usually associate with Greece. So it was quite interesting to see that and to experience. I might be coming for one more day to experience more. But now it's time for a swim at Koum Kapi Beach, Paralia Koum Kapi, as it is called. It's not the best beach that you can see, and along the coast there is basically no entry, or you can enter the water through steps. And here is the only sandy part, which is quite small, to be fair. But yeah, for a big city beach, I think it's good, but not as good as the other one, Nea Chora, that I visited earlier. I'm now thinking if that's the real name, but yeah, you would have already seen the video on my channel because it was before this episode. So yes, Chania, Crete, Koum Kapi Beach. Let's take a swim. It is sandy inside, so quite nice. And I can see also the port from here, or at least the fort part of it, as and also the beach promenade here along the coast. And yes, there are apartment buildings across the sea, and they have the most wonderful sea view, of course. Okay, let's then take a swim, probably the last one for today. I won't promise, but let's see. Ready, set, go! Yes, the sea is salty as usual, and yeah, this is Cretan Sea, which is part of the Aegean Sea, which is very much throughout the whole north part of Crete. And on the south part of Crete and the west and east, it is the Libyan Sea, actually. That's part of the Mediterranean. But obviously, even the Cretan Sea, that's part of the Aegean Sea, is part of the Mediterranean Sea, of course. But it has different characteristics, as this side of here looks over to the mainland of Greece, which is quite far from here, Athens, but yeah, it's on that direction. While on the south side of Crete you see Africa. So yeah, all right, cool. That's a wrap from Koum Kapi Beach in Chania, Crete, Greece. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.